I'm gonna go. You know, now, a little low clothes. I'm not gonna come in, guys. Out here cool. Out here. Not even carry my scarf. This live gonna be short today because it's cooler here. Alright, I got leap of face. I'm gonna walk here, so instead, showing them pretty flowers here. It's a leap of faith today because I never realized out here so cool. I never carry enough clothes. Hi, Nishan! Like the live and share it there, honey. Out here cool, you funny. No scarf. I have on light jacket. So the live I go short today. Look at this beautiful flower. I'm doing a different area walk today. It's beautifully. It's so gorgeous. Look at it. Let me take a picture of it. Hold on, guys. Yes, it's a beautiful flower. Yeah, we just tried to screenshot it, but it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Jesus, we can't go around at the riverside. It's too cool. So, guys, I'm not gonna go first. I'm not gonna go river. Oh, he's doing a photo shoot too. He's taking picture too of the plants. Beautiful. Oh, photo shoot, guys. If you ever see that guy around here at hot, in my photo shoot there. What to see? Guys, I'm not showing him, you know. Watch muscle. Yes, sir. Paparazzi around here. Hi. Here. Hi, welcome in, Jackie. Welcome in, everyone. Yes, my hot peer photograph I take out here. Because the plant really nice. It's really good. It's really beautiful. Look at it. It's really a beautiful plant. Hold on there, guys. Hold on. Like up the live, guys. Let me see if we can do something else with the little plant. Yeah, Jesus, it's pretty. We did one little video. Hold on there, guys. My picture.
True.
Where you going?
And just outdoors.
Me say.
Especially with with my
That's right. Sometimes I just peeping her out, or me just read comment when I can, cause you can't make them see you on phone, so it don't look proper. Look at this. Look at the walkway. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. It is so beautiful. Look at the trees and the building. Wow. Oh, this is this Keystone building. Oh, that's the library. Oh my goodness. I so close to the library, I never know. Oh, today's Thursday. I think there's a meeting somewhere. I missed it. Jesus, I miss it. I miss my meeting, guys. I mean, remember what I'm saying there, no? Which part of the meeting there again? Remember, no? It's a lunch hour meeting. I think up to 1 o'clock, but I don't remember what the building there. Jesus, out here cool. Look at the trees. If I not think I lie, out here cool. And this nice building, the tree growing on it. Jesus, the library is right here. You know, so I have to come at the library one day, that no fear. The library there, right here, so I'm in the reach of the library yet. Jesus, I'm sure I'm next pretty flowers. These plants are beautiful. These plants are beautiful. Look at them. Ooh. Look at them. The library is right here, so I'm not have to come to the library. Guys, like up the live, like up the live. Where else you can go and get this beautiful scenery? Nowhere else in the world. Nowhere else. Look at the beauty of the place. Hi. I'm always at the one place. So beautiful. And if I show you over that side, oh, student pass. Student pass. Student pass. So let me show you over that side. I'll bring it in. There's more to be seen. Yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful. Very beautiful. Nice. So I'm cool. I decide so I'm not going down the river and look where I come back up in a canoe. So the library just across from me. Let me see the library and then the keystone. And then there's another building. What is it across from the library? Guys, like up the live, like, share, and subscribe. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Beautiful plants. Beautiful plants. And look at it. It won't look like food I'm discussing about this. Look like the hybrid one. Hybrid. The ones that is very beautiful and delicate than the hibiscus. Because look at it. Look in between it, guys. Wait, name. Anybody know this plant's name? Anybody know this plant name? Anybody can tell me the name of this plant? Because me don't know it. And it's so beautiful. Maybe if Lola was on the live, she would have known it. But me don't know it. But all I know is it's beautiful. And like me can sit down right here, so yeah. Oh, let's sit down here, so guys. I take a big view. Oh, you don't know it. No, we're not gonna know it. We're not going to know it, guys. So, as I said before, it's very cold. And I didn't wear any scarf, and I wear a thin jacket. Because my things say winter done. And it's summertime. Springtime, that is, going into summer.
Well, I'm coming.
I expect for you to wear a scarf.
I'm finished that test.
It's so cold. Very cold. Whew. Wow. Like up the live, guys. Let's see two like I see all 18 people over here. What are going with? What's not going on with? I don't know, like up the live. I'm sure I'm beautiful feeling. Buggy's coming. Students are not easy, no, they have right come on class. Our library. Oh no, that's it there. Over there. Yes, over there. Nice plant. Nice gardening stuff. For those who are just come on, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm not gonna be staying long because out here is cold, so I'm soon gone. But like, share, and subscribe. And guys, today's motivation talk is what? Prepare for any weather. Prepare yourself for any weather. Unlike me today, I wasn't prepared. I came out not thinking that it was still a little warm, even though they said it would have been cooler today. But I wasn't thinking that cooler meaning cold. so I wasn't prepared. I came only in a light jacket, no scarf. And see it, I have to go run back inside. I'm cold. I'm in a want get sick. I was getting sick over the weekend, but I fight it off. Okay. So remember to always be prepared for any eventuality. Yeah, that's it. Motivation for today. Okay. Hi, Shireen. Welcome in. Welcome in, Shireen. I miss all the beautiful scenery. Look at the beautiful scenery. You miss them. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Shireen miss. I'm just as I'm cool and I go back inside. Hi. Yeah. Very beautiful. Beautiful everywhere. Nice. Beautiful. Well manicured lawn. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. It's a good day, but it's cold. And this tree, this beautiful tree here. Beautiful white tree. Very beautiful. Yeah. So, whew, I feel drape up my neck. That's the first place you must cover, now, guys. When you go anywhere and it's cold, make sure your neck is warm. Most important. Make sure your neck is warm. See, buggy there, guys. The student transportation on campus. Oh, yeah, never mind. Let's let it go. Sometimes. And our motivational word for today is always be prepared for any weather. So you walk with your umbrella, get a little one in your bag just in case rain gonna fall. Walk with one sweater just in case it gets cold. Yeah, so all we need to do at Jamaica is walk with one sweater or one hoodie. Yeah, we don't really need no scarf. Yeah, walk with a flat shoes just in case you have to walk. Bus broke down or you have to go somewhere where you have to walk far when you're there work or a meeting or so. Just be prepared. Just carry things where you know say we're gonna make your life easier if something fit happen. Yeah, I always have an umbrella in my bag. Always. From Jamaica, I still do it here. One little one. Cause at Jamaica, you not even hear the weather good and when you look in the sky it starts to rain. So I always walk with an umbrella. I go anywhere outside of regular work, I walk with one sweater. Yeah, needle and thread too. That's a must. Some people walk with their little kits. Yeah. Cause anything can add on 2 pins. I always have 2 pins hide somewhere. Cause one button can burst off or your zip can spoil. So you can fix it or you pin it up till you go home. Always. I think about them something there so much. And because of that, when my pants them have zipping at the back. I don't like that. Because I always think about the worst case scenario. Yeah. A true man, you have to walk with needle and thread. Yeah. You know how much time I dey work and people ask me if I have any needle or any pin. Enough time. Hmm. Yep. And you're sanitary just in case, because sometimes the cycle spoil up and it comes sudden. So you have to walk with the emergency kit at all times. Emergency kit is a must. Hmm. Always. Hmm. See, you look like it a rain though. I hear the weather today. I hear it this morning, but me never hear no rain. But it looks overcast and it's cool. So guys, that's it for today. Me never did I go come in because me say I feel tired. I me never walk much. Me go around this and what a beauty. What a beauty going to a different direction. Yeah. And yeah, it was a good live. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. So I will see you on the other side. Bye. Happy Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Bye. Take care. She walk with it. Yeah. Tree in the building. This tree's in the building here, so it's nice. And glue too. Oh, glue you always have. Okay. See it? I'm learning. Glue, needle and thread, umbrella. What else? Sweater. Um, yeah, so make sure be prepared. Be prepared. Okay. So later, guys. Take care. Take care and see you on my next live. Hopefully tomorrow. Bye. I need a screenshot for this picture video. Let it go. Oh, screenshot go. But let it go again. Take off them. I'm gonna take off the wording. I don't even know how to do it. Anyways, bye guys. Later.